All right, here we go. This is cool. If you don't like this, there's something wrong with you. Y'all need to get you one of these. They got them on Temu, they got them on Amazon. It's a smoke waterfall. It's the coolest thing since sliced bread, I think. It's more exciting in person. Pretty cool. Hard to see it moving in the picture, but it's moving. Gotta buy these little cones for it. They're real cheap. I got a whole bag of them over here. Big old bag of cones. See, once you move it around, it stops, but you gotta put it back. Boom. There it goes. It's a water flow. Smoke flow. It's pretty neat. Like, subscribe, and share my page, people. Come on, help me out here. And I'll do the same for you.